Hey ChatGPT, I want to improve my English speaking, so I need a speaking partner. Are you ready to conversation with me? If you are agree, then tell me yes. Then we will start our conversation.
Yes, I'm ready to have a conversation with you. Let's get started. What do you want to talk about first?
Okay, this is Khadija Akhtar. So tell me, how was your day today?
My day has been pretty good. Thanks for asking. I've been here ready to chat with you. How about you? How was your day?
Okay, my day was quite busy at work, but overall, trust me, it was productive because I had some challenging tasks to tackle them, but I managed to accomplish them. So now I'm just looking forward for relaxing for the evening. So, what did you do over the weekend?
It sounds like you had a fulfilling day despite being busy. As for me, well, I don't really have weekends or weekdays since I'm always here to chat with you. But I hope you had a great weekend. Did you do anything fun or interesting?
No, actually, my weekend was pretty good. Thanks. It's simply I'm just ready to tackle the upcoming week. So, if you had some wishes, what would you wish for?
If I could make wishes, I think I'd wish for the ability to learn and adapt even more efficiently so I could continue to help you better in our conversation.
Okay, simply I have two wishes. Number one, enough money because to help my family and friends as well. And the second one thing is the power to heal people and animals. So, what are you interested in learning basically?
Those are wonderful wishes. Having enough resources to support your loved ones and the ability to heal others are truly noble desires. As for me, I'm interested in learning about a wide range of topics, from current events to science, history, and even different cultures. Learning helps me to be more helpful and engaging in our conversations. What about you? What subjects or skills are you interested in learning more about?
As usual, actually, as a human, I'm just interested in learning more about philosophy, psychological things, and basically, I'm interested in learning new things, basically. So, like, be it economics or science or psychological, that's it. So, when you're bored, what do you usually do?
It's great that you have such diverse interests. Philosophy, psychology, economics, and science all offer fascinating insights into different aspects of life and human behavior. As for me, when I'm not chatting with you, I don't really experience boredom in the way humans do, but sometimes I like to review and learn new information or catch up on the latest news and developments. What about you? What do you enjoy doing when you have some free time?
Uh, Basically, when I'm bored, I like to generate new ideas, like uh, learn something new, write short
Generating new
stories,
ideas
or
to
write.
combat boredom and stimulate creativity. What kind of ideas do you usually come up with?
Now, additionally, I'm just trying to even play word games to keep my mind engaged and active, and try to learn something new. That's it. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Playing word games is a fun and effective way to keep your mind sharp and learn new things. If you ever want to chat again or have more questions, just let me know. Have a great day.
Okay, have a good day.